Hey, what's up guys? It's Quinn with Intrinsic Off-Road. I just wanted to thank you guys again for the continued support. You guys have been sharing the videos and watching them, and our numbers keep growing, and it's really cool to see. I just want to let you know how much we appreciate it. We've got a really big reveal coming for you guys. It's something that we've been planning for a while, something that we've been really stoked about. Make sure that you watch the end of the video to see the reveal. Alright, peace.
Good morning guys, we're on the way to a shop right now because we got a buddy that's got some tires for sale. So we're about to go scoop up some 40-inch tires. You guys have probably seen the 40-inch tires that I already have. Those didn't have a ton of tread, they had about half tread. But these have a little bit more, and we're getting a little bit better of a deal on them, so we're gonna get those. So yeah guys, really excited to go pick these tires up. We're out here in the old Ford truck. Good old farm truck, never done us wrong. That fresh tire though. Leather smells really good too. Touchscreen, get the bigger touchscreen. Lots of details. Alright, so the wheels are dropped off a powder coat now. I just gotta wait a couple days for those to get done. If you guys are wondering what this tape is that are up here, it's to block the sun glare for when it's sunny outside, and it reflects off this gloss right here so it doesn't blind me. So I've got some tape on that temporarily if you guys are just wondering. But I'll see you guys in a couple days when I go pick up the wheels, then I'll get them all mounted up.
Oh, Taylor. Oh, man. He dropped his jewel and his phone all at the same time, trying to power lifts. Hit some big weights, big heavy weights.
Oh yeah, big heavy. What's up guys? So we got some more pieces to the puzzle here. These headlight adapters, the anti-flicker harnesses. Also we got the Intrinsic Off-Road decal that just came in the gecko green. I'm about to unwrap it and see how it looks. Shout out to Chris Cordy on Facebook. He set me up with this, got me a really good price, really good shipping. Got here pretty quick. So if you guys are wondering what these are the rings for the wheels, the ATX slabs. You guys will see those in a minute. Those are currently being blasted down to raw metal. Traffic is pretty hefty. Got some construction and stuff going on up here. None of that fun stuff, just the boring stuff, you know how it goes. So after I pick up the wheels, I'm gonna go get the tires at the house, and then I'm gonna take those up to the shop, so we'll have everything there, and then we'll get them all mounted up, and then I'll throw them on the Jeep later tonight, hopefully. Tires are now on the back, taking them in the old truck. Oh yeah, it's nice and toasty in this truck. Alright guys, so now the tires are back, everything's mounted up. You guys, hope you enjoyed those clips of mounting them up. They're back right here. If I slap them on the Jeep, I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, time to put the tires on. But yeah, it's been a really long, I think it's been almost a month and a half, I want to say almost 2 months that the Jeep has been on stock tires. So you guys have been following on Instagram, have seen that. You guys are probably tired of being little sauce too. But now it's about to be big sauce, so I hope you guys like it.
Yo, check this out. This thing grew like 1,000 inches, guys. Holy crap. Not really good lighting. I'm about to get you guys a better clip, but this is what I'm seeing right now. I've done a lot of small things over this whole process, you know, being the Jeep Beach and everything like that. You guys have probably seen the previous video, like on the diff cover. Just changing up a lot of small stuff that makes a really big impact. As you guys can see, the headlights are out. Just got those in the mail. About to show you a clip in a second of those. Also did the fenders, etc. Kind of just stuff that I pictured in my head that would look like it would fit better with this current setup that I have going on here. A lot of the stuff is really just getting rid of like the red that was pretty much on the Jeep, like the tail lights. I swapped back to the tinted ones, so those are darked out now. Also the JKS disconnects, you guys have probably seen that I took those stickers off and the little red grease caps. Basically just getting everything to where it's just the green on the offset. I'm still waiting on the spare wheel and tire. That's as funds allow it, so that's gonna be coming soon, guys, don't worry. But check this out. Last night I took this little delete cap and I touched up the spider right here with the gloss black, so that kind of stands out, looks pretty cool. Also, another thing I can think of right now is that the diff cover, I did end up taking the bolts out and painting that so it matches the front better. So here are apparently the truck lights. I just got these in from FedEx. These do have some weight to them because they're really quality. I think the back of them are like metal, so truck lights are awesome. I do love truck lights. I keep going back to them because I've had 2 pair before and they've never failed me before. I just think they look amazing. They look kind of like factory headlights, but they have the LED and they're really darked out, so it'll look really nice. You guys know that this green factory clip is a very big pain because this adapter does not clip in all the way. So you guys can see it gets like right there and then it like springs back. So there's like not really a good way to keep it in there. But so basically what I've always done is just screw it and then wrap a zip tie around each corner without like modifying or breaking this factory clip, just in case I want to put the factory headlights back in. Alright, so there is the masterpiece right there.